The additions to the Sailing Buddy application for the beta release include weather data animations, custom list views, a change password feature, and functioning item change ratings. The weather animations flow from the beginning of the swipe to the end of the swipe. So by swiping from right to left, the animation starts on the right, sweeps across the screen to the left. The same is true for the reverse. The custom list views exist in every list view inside the application and include gradients for every list item. This is also true for both the day and night settings. As you can see, this view reflects the night settings. The change password feature, if I go into the Sailing Buddy application and I log out to demonstrate, I put in my username and my password, which is 123456. Hit login, lets me log in. I can log out and go into settings and change password. Put in my username, my old password, and the new password, which everything has to be more than 6 characters. And both the new and confirmed password have to be identical. That obviously isn't. And hit accept. It says the password has been successfully changed. If I go back into Captain's Corner and try to use the previous password of 123456, it says error, could not sign in, invalid username or password. If I use the password I changed it to, it lets me log in with no issues. The item ratings work. This is a pre-existing item that I had saved. Work by taking an average of every rating that every user has set for that object. So if I were to rate it 5 stars and then go back in and rate it 5 stars, go back in, rate it 5 stars, and then go back in, it'll come up to 4 stars. I have been using this as a test for a while now. That's why it took so long to average out the numbers. But as you can see, it will take the overall average for every time that item is graded and display that in its entirety. Thank you. These are the latest additions to the Sailing Buddy application for the beta release.